Welcome to our channel Airborne Atlas, and today we are going to discuss about the Boeing 747 aircraft. First of all, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe it and press the like button if you like this video. The Boeing 747, often affectionately called the Jumbo Jet or Queen of the Skies, represents a monumental achievement in aviation history. First taking flight in 1969, the 747 revolutionized air travel by making long-haul, high-capacity flights a reality, altering the landscape of commercial aviation forever. This aircraft not only marked a leap in technology and engineering, but also set a standard of elegance and power that few airplanes since have matched. With its distinctive humpbacked fuselage and enormous size, the 747 became instantly recognizable and soon became a symbol of luxury and adventure in the skies. The origin story of the Boeing 747 is one of ambition and risk. In the 1960s, aviation was booming, but airports were overwhelmed with passengers, and airlines were limited in how many could be accommodated on each flight. One trip, the CEO of Pan American World Airways, Pan Am, envisioned a larger aircraft that could carry more passengers, reducing the need for multiple flights and making air travel more affordable. Boeing took up the challenge, and under the leadership of engineer Joe Sutter, the company embarked on a quest to build the largest and most advanced airliner of its time. The project was so audacious that it required Boeing to construct a new assembly plant in Everett, Washington, the largest building by volume in the world at that time. The Boeing 747 was a marvel of engineering innovation. Its most striking feature was the humpbacked upper deck, which initially served as a lounge for first-class passengers. This design was partly motivated by a practical consideration. Boeing anticipated that supersonic airliners might soon dominate long-haul routes, and if the 747 needed to transition to a cargo role, the raised cockpit would allow for a nose door loading feature. The aircraft's wide body, or twin-aisle, design allowed for multiple seating configurations, accommodating up to 660 passengers in a single-class configuration, or approximately 400 in a three-class layout. This versatility helped airlines maximize revenue and serve various market needs. One of the key innovations of the 747 was its four-engine design, which provided an unmatched range and reliability for its time. Unlike twin-engine aircraft, the 747 could cover transoceanic routes with redundancy, meaning it could safely complete a journey, even if one engine failed. This capacity allowed airlines to establish direct routes between distant cities, bypassing traditional layover hubs. The jet's Pratt & Whitney JT9D engines were revolutionary, as they provided both the power needed to lift the massive aircraft and the efficiency required to make it economically viable. These advancements made intercontinental travel accessible to the masses, turning the dream of globe-trotting into a reality for millions. With its enormous capacity and impressive range, the 747 transformed the economics of air travel. Airlines could now fly more passengers on fewer flights, reducing cost per seat mile. This ability to carry hundreds of passengers at once meant that ticket prices could be lowered, making international travel affordable for the first time. It's often said that the 747 democratized air travel, breaking down barriers and connecting people across continents like never before. The jet soon became a favorite among airlines and travelers alike, with its iconic shape and spacious cabin providing an unmatched travel experience. The Boeing 747 also carved out a niche in the luxury market. In its early years, airlines like Pan Am and British Airways outfitted the upper deck with exclusive lounge where passengers could relax, enjoy cocktails, and socialize in a glamorous setting. For many, a trip on the 747 was the ultimate expression of elegance and sophistication. Celebrities, dignitaries, and heads of state flew on the 747, and it quickly became the aircraft of choice for VIP travel. Over time, the upper deck was converted into additional seating as demand for seats grew, but the aura of luxury surrounding the 747 endured. Beyond its role as a commercial airliner, the Boeing 747 found success in other areas, further cementing its legendary status. It became the aircraft for Air Force One, serving as the primary mode of air transport for the President of the United States. This highly modified version of the 747, known as the VC-25, was outfitted with advanced communication systems, defensive countermeasures, and luxurious accommodations to ensure the safety and functionality of America's commander-in-chief during flights. Additionally, the 747 has been used for cargo and freight services, carrying oversized loads that other aircraft could not accommodate. Its design has even been modified for unique purposes, such as NASA's shuttle carrier aircraft, which transported space shuttles piggyback style. Over its lifetime, the Boeing 747 has seen several variants, each offering improvements in performance, capacity, and technology. The most recent, the 747-8, introduced in 2010, features more advanced engines and greater fuel efficiency, along with increased passenger and cargo capacity. However, despite its enduring popularity and advances, the 747 has faced challenges in recent years. The aviation industry has shifted toward more fuel-efficient twin-engine jets like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus A350, which can perform similar missions with lower operating costs. Consequently, major airlines began phasing out their 747 fleets, and in 2020, Boeing announced it would end production of the 747, marking the end of an era. Today, the Boeing 747 remains an enduring icon celebrated by aviation enthusiasts and travelers alike. While its numbers in the skies may dwindle, the 747's legacy is secure. It represents a time when aviation was more than just transportation. It was an adventure, an experience, and, for many, a dream realized. The aircraft has touched the lives of countless people around the world, from those who flew on it to those who designed, built, and maintained it. The Boeing 747 will forever be remembered as the plane that brought the world closer together. Its influence on aviation history is undeniable, and even as it retires from the skies, the Queen of the Skies will continue to inspire future generations to dream of new horizons. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.